Don't know what to cook? Let's go together to make a very delicious and popular Iranian dish. Hi, in today's cooking, we want to make a pan barbecue, a very delicious and easy meal. Ingredients: minced meat, tomato paste, onion, lemon juice, turmeric, salt and pepper. Put some oil in the pot, and turn down the heat. Once it's hot, pour the crushed or minced tomatoes into the pot, and spread with a spatula. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and the required amount of salt and pepper to the tomatoes. In another container, mix the minced meat, 2 grated onions, salt and pepper, and turmeric together. In the next step, pour a little oil on the bottom of the pan. After the oil is hot, put the meat in the pan and spread it on the bottom of the pan with your hands like in the movie. And let the meat cook. In my opinion, it is better to divide the meat into 2 parts before adding the tomato liquid, so that the ingredients can be cooked better with the meat to make it more delicious. And after the meat is cooked, add the sauce. And spread the sauce on the surface of the meat with a spatula. And wait for the food to be ready. You can eat this food with rice or bread. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget like and subscribe. And please read the description.